Tonight, new controversy around St. Louis County's health director once again calls for him to resign.
Yeah, it all started after he sent an email to staff members talking about COVID, saying some in our community are on the, quote, lunatic fringe. News 4's Susan L. Corey is at county headquarters in Clayton with more on that. Susan?
Well, right now the county council is getting ready to meet here, and I'm told that email is on the agenda, as well as possibly a vote to unseat Dr. Faisal Khan, who's currently the acting health director.
I've never seen this type of behavior out of any department head.
St. Louis County Council member Mark Harder saying what he already put in writing. He sent a letter to County Executive Dr. Sam Page saying he expects Dr. Faisal Khan's resignation.
I think our council's fed up with it.
Khan emailed staff just before Thanksgiving, telling them to ignore the lunatic fringe that exists in every society, adding they are irrelevant fools.
A political appointee, head of that department, to be writing something like that is inflammatory.
While Khan declined to comment, this isn't the first time council members questioned his actions. In July, following a contentious county council meeting over masks, Khan admitted he lost his cool, seen in this surveillance video obtained by News 4, giving the middle finger. In the days after, Khan sat down with us.
So I was jostled, I was heckled, I was taunted, I had racist abuse directed at me, and I do not care to repeat those.
Critics disagree, saying Khan's account of what happened isn't accurate. The county executive and county council did investigations. At the time, Dr. Page had this comment.
It's well established that Dr. Khan was treated poorly and he felt unsafe. I did verbally reprimand Dr. Khan for the gesture that he used out of fear and frustration.
The county executive's findings were eventually kept private, but the council's investigation found the doctor's story was fabricated. Harder calls it enough for him to have his mind made up.
He's not fit, in my opinion, to be a public servant paid for by the taxpayers of this community.
Still no word from Dr. Khan tonight. Dr. Page's office also declined to comment, but we did just get our hands on an email that he sent out to staff talking about differences around COVID. In that, he said, quote, "I want to remind each of you at all levels of county government to treat and to talk about our constituents respectfully." Now that county council meeting starts here at 6:30. We'll of course let you know what happens. Live in St. Louis County, Susan L. Corey, News 4.